Hey everybody, welcome back to Thumb FPV. Now today we are going to go over the bind and fly process, second video of how to enable your modes. Check this out. Okay, so once you have your BETAFLIGHT program open on your computer, you're going to see the screen or one similar to it. Now, in order to get the plug or the ports on this correct, first we're going to plug in our drone. I am currently having an issue with my computer and the drivers. That's why I have this right here to the taskbar, automatically launch it. If you're having a problem with your BETAFLIGHT hooking up, you can always use that. If the drivers aren't working for you, that's the Impulse Driver RC. As you see right now, it is working. Everything is in. It does automatically put your quad into, and then it's doing that, so I don't know, but it's hooked up now. Most of the time it does automatically put you into bootloader mode. But so you have a quad, it's moving around. What we're going to do today is our modes, which are right here. So we're going to uncheck this because if we don't, we're never going to see what we need to use. Okay, so arm, you're going to add a range, and as we did in the first video, we are going to assign that to aux1. After every single one of these, I am going to save it just in case something happens. I just like to do it that way. So our angle is going to be the next one. That's already on. We had that for mode 2. Save. Our next one was our beeper. So we're going to put that on number 3. Then we have our turtle mode. Which right here is flip over after crash. So we make that 4. And then, as I stated for the 5th command, we have our camera control. If you want to turn your camera off, on, anything special with a remote utility on the drone itself, you can use one of these options. And I'm going to put that on auxiliary 5. Save. Now what I like to do, I will disconnect and then reconnect to make sure that everything has in fact saved. We'll go back down to our modes. I'm going to select hide unused modes because we have selected everything that we have wanted to use. That looks right. So for this, I am going to change a little bit. I like my horizon, if I have to use it, to be in the first slot, angle in the second slot, acro in the third. So I'm going to narrow this down, horizon, angle, acro. I'm going to make this even with the first part of that. That way it will stay armed through both switches of this mode here. We're going to put our beeper at the high end. Sometimes you bump it, whatever, that's okay. If you hit it twice, then it'll enable, so you're not clicking your beeper on accidentally, hopefully, in the air. Camera control, also going to do the same thing with that. I'm going to make that at the high end flip over, crash. I'm going to do that the same thing as well. Hit save one more time. Reconnect. Go to our modes. Bow. Everything is good. So that's how you set up your modes. Some drones will come with this pre-set up. You get some of your little, again, referencing like the Emax, the Tiny Hawk, Freestyle, the Tiny Hawk 2, stuff like that. They'll have their modes already pre-enabled. You do not have to do this, but other drones do not, so this is how you do it. This is Thumb FPV. Thanks for watching. I'll have another video up soon.